We've had a fun stay here at the Q Hotel in Kuala Lumpur, and when Marge asked for the best view yesterday, they gave us the best view from this hotel. Take a look at our view. That is the Petronas Towers right there. So we're out. We're going out. Where are we going?
To KL Central.
We're going to KL Central. We went the wrong way. We went inside the mall instead of going to the LRT. This is the ticketing office where we buy our fare for the train. There are little coins like yesterday. We are now going inside the mall and have lunch. It's already 1 p.m. Very hungry. If you happen to come to Kuala Lumpur, I strongly suggest you dine at the Gravy Factory. The best. Really great food. Great ambiance. Dessert part 2.
Just an info. Actually, we can ride via LRT over that side, but I chose to ride this KLIA with you so that you can experience.
One stop only to Bandar Tasik Selatan. We have arrived at TBS. This is TBS, Terminal Bersepadu Selatan. It's TBS. Our bus will leave at 5. It's still 3:45? 3:47. We're on time. We're not late. Our bus is called Billion Stars. We're looking for the Billion Stars. Billion Stars Express. That one. Our departure is delayed. Larkin, Singapore is delayed. We have a 30-minute break. Toilet. We are at Lucky Garden Yongpeng. There's a very interesting bread here, wife biscuit and then husband biscuit. Inside is a winter melon, and then inside this husband is red bean. We're buying one for each. One for the husband and one for the wife. It's already 11:20 in the evening and we're at the immigration. JB, Johor Bar. Next immigration will be in Singapore. Whew. Immigration is over. That took too long. Bye, bus. You have been good to us.